I had no clue. I was working in a school as a school admin. Normal इंसान, कुछ नहीं, खाना पीना काम, gym, खत्म. So there's this production house I reached out to. I was like, अगर splits का audition हो, just let me know. I'll just try. So I just tried. And जैसे आई न्यू गुल्लू पहले से, तो मैंने उनको यही बात बोली कि आई नो पीपल फ्रॉम रोडीज, आई पार्टी विद सम पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री एंड एवरीथिंग. तो दे वर लाइक ओके. और फिर just that I think I went for another interview in Bombay, and after that I had the same day I had a flight to Thailand.
Okay.
So I went to Thailand and they called me after a day that you're in. I was like, what am I? Are you like serious that I'm in? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, okay, that was like very smooth.
You never gave an audition?
I gave an audition.
Okay,
No,
okay.
I gave an audition to the production house also, and the audition to the main channel also. So there were
okay.
2 auditions.
There were
I
2
gave.
auditions.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Was that tedious?
What was that?
The process, the entire process was no.
No, not really. It was very like, that's what I'm saying. It was so smooth. I didn't know that. I did not know that. But yeah, of course, it depends on your personality and how you come out.
Yeah.
जैसे मैंने ऑडिशंस में बोला कि मैं ऐसे गुस्से वाली हुई हूँ, मैं नहीं हूँ. मैं शांत इंसान हूँ, बिना बात की लड़ाई नहीं करती. अगर कोई मेरे से भिड़ेगा तभी मैं भिड़ूंगी. इफ़ यू saw it on the show that I literally do not care if 2 people mature enough are talking, I don't have to go in between them and talk. मैं ऐसी बंदी हूँ. तो I was like, ठीक है, अगर थोड़ी सी एक्टिंग करके इन हो गई तो बढ़िया.
Bro, your and Gullu's, what is the thing? Like पहले से आप लोग जानते थे, like you know, what's the entire story about Gullu that
Yeah, it's just like हम पहले से जानते थे एक दूसरे को. We had a thing like we just like met and all that. We partied and shit like that. And then coming back to Delhi, something happened. तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया था. उसके बाद फिर हमारी बात नहीं हुई. It's just that. It's like a very silly thing कि ऐसे इस बात पे लड़ाई हुई गई and then उसके बाद हमारी बातचीत ही नहीं हुई.
Okay.
He was just scared कि मैं बाहर आके उसके बारे में सब कुछ. सो अगर आप मेरे से ऐसे पूछ रहे हो कि वो डरा हुआ क्यों था जब मैं आई, क्योंकि मुझे उसके बारे में बहुत पता है. मुझे उसका गांव पता है, वो कहाँ रहता है पता है, ये सब पता है.